water, and I'm going to show you details of how I make it, and this is really going to improve your hair growth. So let me start off that everybody, you need a glass jar or a plastic container, and make sure you have purified water or still water. And I'm going to put extra of olive oil, or you can put coconut oil in there. Okay? And make sure you have a little dark jar to spray it in later. I usually use a glass blue jar, or today I'm going to use this plastic purple. You could purchase these at the 99-cent store too. And you need a spoon. We're going to get the water. You make sure your jar is nice and clean. And for me, I don't want too much rice water. I'm just going to do about maybe this much, because I'm going to put it in this container. So you just make sure you're not wasting, so you can make some for later. So put my water in there, and the rice that we're going to use today is organic brown rice. Now you can use any kind of rice you want, jasmine rice, just, I chose to use sodium-free, gluten-free, organic, and a big bag. As you see, I just always using rice. So let's get some spoons. I got a pretty nice size big spoon. I'm gonna just do, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, fermented rice water does have a really, really strong smell. So sometimes I put a little bit of lemon in there, but this time I think I'm going to use this grapefruit. And then you just need like one of these little boards. Boom. So there we go. It's just not the inside of the grapefruit, just the peeling, you guys, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna, so I don't make too much of a mess, but just enough. You see what I'm doing? Right there. That's just enough to add in there, so it'll have a really great smell. Perfect. I'm just gonna get the remaining of that. Boom, boom, boom. Smells great. Look at that fermented rice water, you guys. It's getting more fermented. Put a little bit of that in there. And that will make it have a nice smell, so you're not putting this stinky old water, spoiled rice in your hair. There we go. That should be enough. You could see it floating. Yeah. Miracle growth. Miracle growth. That's what I should call it. Or should do the trick. You see, I just barely put the rice along there, and the water is just a little bit above it. Make sure you have a lid. Nice and tight. And I'm going to keep this actually in the cabinet for a day. Some people leave it for a couple hours. I leave it for a whole day. Just make sure that's tight so it doesn't spill over. What is the benefits from rice water, fermented rice water? Let's see. Let's ask Suri. Suri, what is the benefits for fermented rice water?
Here's what I found.
Uh-oh. So Kim Kardashian uses it, and she claims it really works for her. Good for? Basically, is your hair. It has vitamins like omega acid, B vitamin, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. And the history goes way back, like too far back. And it's saying that it made somebody's hair grow 6 feet long. I'm trying this. It helps detangle your hair. It makes your hair feel smooth and increase shine. It makes your hair stronger. It helps hair growing even longer. Hey, this is day two. Day two. Rice water. It came out right, you guys. Yep, rice water. Just once the rice water is all finished, just pour it in a bottle, spray bottle, and spray it on the scalp. Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and press the like button down below. And leave comments. Let me know what hair product you want me to try for my type of hair. The next one up, I'm thinking about using coffee. So let's see how that goes. Bye. There she is. The one that was bumping into my camera and lights. I'm Shadaya. Say hey everybody. Hi. She's an 8-month-old baby Shadaya. You guys can follow her Instagram at baby Shadaya. And I spell it S-H-A-D-D-A-I. Ain't that right? Look. Baby Shadaya. I'm actually not going to just put it on my tips or anything because I don't want to make my hair too dry. It does dry out my hair. But I'll just put on the scalp. And I'm going to leave this on probably for a day and a half. I'm not going to wash my hair.